The first step in data interpretation is to determine the purpose of the data presented. Data can be presented in multiple ways. This is an example of a bar graph, a pie chart, a scatter plot, and a chart. Most of the time, the purpose can be found in the title of a graph, table, chart, or diagram. The data presented in this bar graph is looking at the price of soda, mineral water, and juices between 1997 and 2001. Next, look at the axes to understand what is being measured. The y-axis is labeled as rupees. Rupees is a form of currency in India and other places, telling us about the cost of each of the beverages. The x-axis is representing the date that the prices were identified. Once you've understood the data presented, you can now observe the patterns of the data. For example, we can extrapolate that the greatest increase in prices of beverages in general occurred in 2000. The range of costs was greatest between the different beverages in 2000 as well. The range of costs was smallest between the beverages in 1999. When you're looking at data, you should always ask yourself, what conclusions can be drawn from the patterns in the data, and what does the results tell you about the questions being studied? This data is specifically on the price of different beverages, but can be a part of a larger study looking at consumerism, such as supply and demand and social trends. Or it can be applied to how cost of beverages affects decisions that influence health.